Hello guys. Yesterday we have done the topics how to create a table with the two methods, with the three methods I told you. Okay, and I told you how we will insert the data, enter the data into the table. Okay, and then we did how we can select the cell, rows and columns. Okay, so today I am going to tell you how we are going to delete the table. So I'm opening the same table which I created last time. Okay, in this I'm going to tell you how we can delete the table. So for that we need to place the cursor or any one of the cell. Okay, like if I want to delete this table, so I have clicked here. Now the table tools tab appears on the screen. Okay, table tools tab, you can see this is a table tools. Okay, so here you can click on the layout tab. This is the layout tab, and from here you will click on the rows and columns group. Okay, rows and columns group, this one is the rows and columns group. So here we will click on the delete button. Okay, there is a drop down arrow, so you can see there we have the four options: delete cell, delete column, delete rows and the delete table. Now I want to delete the table, so I'm going to click here delete table, and my table has been deleted. Okay, and the next in your book is given entering the data in a table. I have already told you how we can enter the data in the table. And if we want to move from one cell to the another cell, then we can move with the help of tab button. Okay, tab button is given on your keyboard. This is how we can move from one cell to the another. Now next thing is that how can I add a column or a row in my table. Suppose I want to enter more names, then what I'll do, I'll just click here. I'll click here on the last row. Okay, then I'll go to again this layout tab, and from the layout tab I will go to rows and columns. Now I have to insert the row. That's why I can select these two options, either insert below or either insert above. So if I have added that insert above, now the row has been added above, so I can enter any of the data. Okay, here I can add the class. Now I can write down like okay, so this is how I have added a new row. And similarly I can add a column also, like I'm clicking here. Again I'll go to the layout tab, then rows and column. Then for adding the columns we have two options, that is either insert on the left side or either insert on the right side. So I'm clicking on the insert left. So you can see a column has been added on the left side of the city column. Okay, so you can enter any of the data here. Next thing is how we can add a picture to a cell. Okay, so if I want to add a picture in this cell, what I'm going to do, I will go on the insert tab, then I will select the picture. Okay, I want to add the image, so what I will do, I have clicked here, then I have clicked on the picture option. So I will go to the folder where my pictures have been stored. Suppose I have stored the pictures in this folder and I want to add this picture here, so I will click on insert. Okay, now you can see the picture has been inserted in your table. This is how you can insert the pictures. Okay, and we have done how we can insert the rows and columns. Next, how we can delete the rows and columns. Similarly, what you can do, if you want to delete this row which we have added earlier, so I will go to the layout tab, then I'll select delete. Now I want to delete this row, that's why I'm clicking on the delete row. Now you can see the row has been deleted, and similarly you can delete the column also. Okay, now your next topic is modifying rows and columns. So this I'm going to teach you in the next class. Thank you class.